Hi guys, I have something very important to share with you, and I will give my story like an example, and you will see if you can consider this pattern in your life. So I were victim in past, and I had really hard life, and I'm not talking about just few situation in my life. It was just a few through years. Because since little child, I had a real big problem with my health, and because of it, the situation around this topic and just people and victimization was fucking big. And so, because of it, and because of one little thing, I weren't able to see how I'm pushing and controlling life now, when everything is way better. And so, since I was little, I heard that I need to be strong, that I'm strong, and that everything will be alright, that better days are coming, etc. And that's a good affirmation. Anyway, what it's making for us, you started to feel that you need to put walls, put boundaries between your real emotions and world itself. So you can't feel what you really feel, you can't speak what you really feel, etc. And it's becoming because you need to be strong. So yeah, it's not that good affirmation if you don't have space for your real feelings, and if you don't have someone with whom you can spoke about what's going on in your world right now. And during my life, I heard these words again and again and again. And when I was older, it was triggering me as fuck. And it was because I didn't see that it's giving me the vibe that I can't be myself. I can't feel my emotion. I need to, always be like on the ready, on the go, and all these things. And it's very hard for us, and it's pretty common story for guys. I was treated since childhood like a boy. I were raised more in masculine energy, way more. So I really understand that, and you just don't feel what is within you. You don't have connection with it, because you need to be strong. You need to be strong for yourself, for others, and just take responsibility for everything. And it's giving us that we started to control reality because we felt safe that way. We felt safe if we have way more responsibility. We taking control for things that we aren't able to control, and we feel they're safe, and we feel that really we have control there. And it's pretty messy. It's hard to see these things if we weren't able to tell ourselves and to feel within ourselves that we were a victim in past. Because we are doing it because we don't want to agree that we were a victim, and it was fucking painful. And because of our past, we land in our now moment, and we have a lot of emotions within which weren't able to just freely flow in our body and were expressed. And our emotions are part of our true self. So we still aren't our true version. And we have this tension within to push forward because of this. Because we need to be strong. We need to show the world that we are strong, that we are responsible, and all these fucking things. And yeah, if you are taking too much responsibility, and if you are starting to control things which you are not able to, it's very, very, very unhealthy for you and others, and it's hard to see it if you weren't able to tell yourself. So that's the moment for you that you were a victim, and start to hide this part of you, this part of your past from the world. Just start to tell people that, yeah, I were a victim. I have been in very, very, very hard situation in my life, and I'm just really, really craving the feeling of safety, the feeling of, holding me, to be able to flow with these emotions which were stuck in my body. That's the deal. If you try to push forward because you try to hide this part of yourself, you still throwing out the window the part of your reality, of your true self. So that's the moment. If you wanna live free, if you wanna feel that you have real influence on life, you need to agree with that. And then acceptance of the past and of the now going back to you, and also you started to see where your responsibility really is and where it's not. So that's all for today, and I hope it helped you. Let me know in the comments how you feel about it.